When solving a principal component analysis problem, we have to consider the constrained optimization problem where we maximize B1 transpose SB1 subject to the constraint that the norm of B1 squared is equal to 1. In order to solve this optimization problem, we need the Lagrangian. So in this case, start by looking at this guy. This constraint here is your subject to constraint. So this is 1 minus norm of B1 squared equals 0. So our Lagrangian, L of B1 and lambda, is equal to B1 transpose S B1 plus our lambda times 1 minus norm of B1 squared. So we can rewrite this as B1 transpose S B1 plus lambda times 1 minus B1 transpose B1. And that's the Lagrangian that we want to use for the optimization problem.